Hello, District 90. My name is Mr. Fairchild. I teach general music at Moy Elementary, and then I also teach 5th grade music at EK and Marie Schaefer. Today we're going to have a song by Carl Orff that we're going to do a few movement things to. And so the first thing we'll talk about is Carl Orff. Carl Orff, he is a composer and a music educator. So he was born in 1895 and passed away in 1982. And so Orff is led a lot of our elementary music traditions that we still do today. He's a very famous person that we have thought of as being a very talented musician. So the song Carmina Burana is a major, huge work. And most of the time you either have works that are just done by a choir, just done by an orchestra, or maybe by a band. This one, it combines both the orchestra and choir. And it's a pretty impressive thing to be able to get to see live. Today we're just going to get to hear a recording of it. And so we're just going to focus on just one small section of Carmina Burana. And it's in Latin, and the English translation is "Behold the pleasant spring." So if we were in my music class, we would be using percussion instruments to play these rhythms up here. We would be using 2 different timbres, which are the different types of sound, metals and woods. So since we don't have metals and woods at home, we're just going to have to use our hands and our legs. So we look at the music, and the music is broken down into forms. And in this song, there's only 2 sections. There's the A section, and then there's the B section. The A section starts out with using the metals. And the introduction we're not going to worry about. And we're in a time signature of 4/4. For those of you that know a little music terminology, that means there's 4 beats in a measure. And this little X with the line of is called a quarter note. And we're going to clap whenever we see those notes with X's. So we have quarter, and then these squiggly lines are rest. So we'll just open our hands and say rest, rest, rest. We get to the end of this line, and this little symbol tells us to go all the way back and repeat that top line all over again. Then we go on to the second line, and now we see this circle with a line and a dot and these 3 lines going through the line. This is going to tell us we're going to roll. So I'm going to scoot back a little bit, and we're going to use our legs, and we're going to move our hands as fast as possible and trying to get our hands to roll. So we're going to roll for 3 beats. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, rest. And that gets us all the way through the A section. And now we're back down to the B section, and we would be using woods, but this has the same symbol as it does up here. Do you remember what it was? It was to clap. So we're going to clap a whole bunch. We're almost keeping that steady beat for the first line, the second line, and then we get to the third line, and then we go back to rolling. They look a little different because these are whole notes, not dotted half notes. And when you hear the music, you're going to hear the very last set of quarter notes here slow down a little bit, and then we roll through, and it's really tricky, but we have to get that other quarter note at the very end. And then it tells us we're going to do it 3 times for the entire A-B section. So the form is A-B, 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 and then the song is over. So let's have a listen to it to kind of talk our way through it before we have to do it with the music. So this is the intro. Rest, 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 clap, rest, 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 clap, rest, 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 clap, 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 repeat. Rest, 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 rest. Now we roll, roll, rest, roll, rest, roll, rest, roll. Now our B, clap, steady beat. Clap, 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 slowing down, clap, 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 roll. And we have to find that clap. So let's see if we can do it. Let's see if we can put together our clapping and rolling with our Carmina Burana. Roll. Rest. 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 In the P section now. Now we slow down a little bit. Oops, that was early on that. Now we do it second time. Rest, rest. Repeat. Roll. Letter B. Slowing down. Now we do it our third time. Back to the beginning. Rest, rest, rest. Rest. Repeat. Roll. Letter B. Slowing down. Roll. Here goes the big finale, the ending, the big hit. Nice job. Have a great day, District 90.